Okay, so we're back at it. It's our weekly video on how do you build your business from 100 million to 200 million. As all of us know, we all try in different ways to have email communication with our clients. And over the years, I keep trying to refine my ways in how I communicate via email to stay away from generic emails. The last one I did, which I'm going to start implementing now every year, is beginning of the year in January, reach out to all your past clients and explain to them what a 1098 is, which is the mortgage interest incurred over the last year, how much interest you can take the tax deductible from. Even though you're not giving any sort of tax advice, it's a great way for you to stay in front of your clients, remind them about the taxes, and reach out to you with any questions they have.